Holy cow. I know the cameraman never dies, but that might be a good time to get on Elk River.